The mode for the data set summarized by this stem and leaf plot is A, 0 and 1, B, 10, C, 31, D, 9, or E, 10 and 31. Before we even begin to try and solve this problem, let's review mode. The definition for mode is a data set is the value that occurs with the greatest frequency. So the mode of the data set is the value that occurs with the greatest frequency. In other words, it's the number that occurs with the greatest frequency, the number that occurs most, or numbers that occur the most if you have more than one number that occurs the same amount of time. The second step before we solve this problem is reviewing how to read a stem and leaf plot. The stem is the first digit of your number, and the leaf is the second digit of your number. So if you have a one-digit number, your stem is going to be 0. In this case, we have a 3, a 5, an 8, and a 9. Here our stem is 1, and our leaf is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, meaning 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have a stem of 2 and a leaf of 0, 20, 24, 26, 27. A stem of 3 and a leaf of 1 is 31. We have another leaf of 1, so we have another 31. Then we have a stem of 4 and a leaf of 9, 49. So I'm going to go ahead and write out our numbers. We have the numbers 3, 5, 8, 9. Then we have the numbers 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have the 2 and the 0. So we have 20, 24, 26, 27. Then we have our 3. So we have 31, 31. And then we have our 4 and our 9. So it is 40, 49. Okay. Wants the greatest number of frequencies. 0 and 1. I don't see any zeros. I don't see any ones. 10. Let's see. 10. We'll do in blue. I see a 10. I see a 10. So there are 2 of these. 31. We'll do 31s in yellow. We have a 31 and a 31. So we have 2 of those. 9. We'll do our 9 in green. We have 1 of those. 0 and 1, we have 0 of those. So, greatest frequency, let's see here. Let me see if I can write that line a little bit cleaner for us so we can still see greatest frequency. Greatest frequency, we had 2 10s and we had 2 31s. So our answer then is E. 10 and 31.